Scrolling on our phones over the holidays encouraged me to buy this book. Atomic Habits, by James Clear. I challenged my teenage sons to join me in reading it. Turns out James Clear is going to be one of the 2026 guest speakers for R4 in Las Vegas. My first lesson from the book: it's not goals that define a person, it's their habits. Processes and systems make us who we are. I wanted to get better at social media and to start having more fun with AI.
Time blocking has always been a useful tool for me, especially when looking to start a new habit.
And whenever inspiration strikes, then when making content, I think about what it is that I want to see and where I would like to post it. Once you have those things, then you think about what kind of gear you're going to need, like a microphone, cell phone, and then what kind of technology in the background you will use. So I have used Canva for editing, and I do use a lot of Google products as well. So first video in a while, and we'll see what I can learn through this next little set of challenges that I'm going to take on. And I also challenge everyone else to start posting. I'm going to start watching your videos. Sometimes that's when you work on your project.